coming our way finally. Should be two Norfolk Southerns and a Union Pacific on the front end of this one. One that was coming out of Tazewell. Well, I do know on the back end there's a EQ, Norfolk Southern. So, heard this from home and decided to come down to Georgetown to catch it. There was a train in DePaul, Indiana that had caught my attention this morning. Sent out two engines out that way. Looked on the front of a Union Pacific, and that's pretty cool. I thought that's what was coming this way.